Former Jubilee Secretary General Raphael Tuju's letter, dated March 21st, paints a picture of a judiciary in crisis. He singles out 5 Supreme Court judges, accusing them of ruling in favor of financial institutions while ignoring due process. At the heart of his claims is a 27-acre land dispute in Karen. Tuju alleges that banks, working with rogue lawyers, are conspiring to take his property, a piece of land he says he legally acquired nearly 40 years ago while working as a young journalist. But his concerns extend beyond his personal battle. Tuju warns that unchecked judicial power could destabilize the nation, even referencing the current situation to the Dred Scott ruling in the United States, a controversial decision that fueled tensions leading to the American Civil War. He also accuses the judiciary of undermining the Judicial Service Commission (JSC), arguing that judges are trying to block proceedings that would hold them accountable. Tuju takes particular issue with the Supreme Court ruling that allows banks to auction his property immediately and compensate him only if the decision is later deemed wrongful. He describes this ruling as a judicial death sentence. The 2022 presidential election ruling, where the Supreme Court dismissed the Azimio coalition's petition as hot air, also comes under fire. Tuju argues that the court's language deepened divisions in an already polarized country. The judiciary in the past few months has been on the receiving end, with calls for the removal of Koome growing louder. Leading these calls are 4 senior counsels, Dr. Gibson Kamau Kuria, Paul Mwite, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, and Nelson Harvey, who accuse the judiciary of rampant corruption and obstructing access to justice. In response, Chief Justice Martha Koome has dismissed these calls for her resignation, describing her critics as cyber bullies while affirming her commitment to defending judicial independence. Adding to the pressure, this month the Ombudsman summoned Koome and the entire Supreme Court bench to explain their failure to provide updates on over 700 pending cases, a directive the judges have dismissed as an intimidation tactic. Despite the growing backlash, Koome continues to defend the independence of the judiciary. In her most recent public appearance, alongside the King of the Netherlands, she reiterated her dedication to upholding the rule of law.